Today we will discuss the angles are classified based on their measurements. As an acute angle measures less than 90 degree. When an angle is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Next, an obtuse angle is between 90 degree and 180 degree. When an angle between greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. For example, 135 degree angle. A right angle precisely measures 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree angle is called right angle. An angle measuring exactly 180 degree is a straight angle. 180 degree angle is called straight line angle. Sometimes we say 180 degree is a straight line angle. A reflex angle measures between 180 degree to 360 degree. Greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree angles are called reflex angles. A complete angle measures 360 degree. A circle, or when we rotate completely a circle or 4 quadrant, we get 360 angles. Now we will show shapes of these angles. These are shapes of these angles. Acute angles mean 62 degree. Say that greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. 62 degree is acute angle. A right angle, a angle exactly equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. Obtuse angle, 135 degree angle when a angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Straight line angle, when we calculate any 180 degree angle is called straight line angle. Reflex angles. Reflex angles mean greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. 240 degree is an example of a reflex angle. When we start a rotation 0 to 360 degree, we get 360 angles. 60 degree angles. Here is this symbol is called degree.